Hi, this is Kiara from Pencil, and welcome to today's tutorial on how you can use PDFs in Pencil's learning management system. The first thing I'm going to do is select the course I wish to add the PDF to, so I'm just going to leave this space. And then I'm going to select the course I wish to add my PDF to. I can add a PDF to my lessons, questions, notes, and sets. So to add a PDF to a lesson, I'm just going to locate the lesson I wish to add a PDF to and select the Edit button found on the right-hand side. From here, you can title your note within your lesson. And by clicking the Add bar, you can add any text, images, videos, URLs, PDFs, or formulas to your page. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be adding a PDF, and I can either add a PDF from my Pencil files or from my computer. So I'm going to locate the PDF I wish to add to my page and upload it. As you can see, the PDF has instantly been uploaded. I can continue to add more to my lesson, including more text, images, videos, PDFs. Once I'm satisfied with the content of my lesson, I'm going to click Next. And I can add it to a specific topic in my syllabus, or I can just publish it to this lesson. So I'm going to select Publish. And now when I open my lesson, I will be able to see my PDF. When I open my notes, I'm actually able to see the note we created in our lesson with the PDF. So if I open that up, I'm able to see the PDF in the notes that we added through our lesson. If I would like to add a PDF in my notes through my notes section, I will click Create to create a new note. And I will be displayed 3 text boxes. The first text box is the screenshot text box, and it's not visible unless you are editing the note. The second text box is the title text box, so this only supports text or equations. The third text box is the body text box, and this supports anything in the content toolbar, including images, videos, URLs, PDFs, and inserting equations. So now I'm just going to add a title to my note in the second bar. And in the third bar, I'm going to add our PDF. So I can either add a PDF from our Pencil files or from my computer. I'm going to locate the PDF I wish to add and insert it into my note. As you can see, the PDF has directly been added to my note. So once I'm happy with my note, I'm going to click Next. And I can choose to add it to an area in our syllabus. Once I'm happy with where I put it in my syllabus, I'm going to select Publish. And now I will be able to see the title of my note as well as all the content I added, including our PDF. So now when I go back to notes, I can either see my note in my list of notes, or I can find it where I put it in my syllabus. When I click on it, I'm able to see my title as well as our PDF. You can directly add your note to a set, you can change the visibility of the note, you can like the note, get a shareable link, or you can even print out your note by clicking the print icon, and Pencil will create a printable sheet with your note fit to size. So to add a PDF to a question, I'm going to create a new question, so I'm going to click Create. And you'll be asked whether or not you want to create an open-ended question or a multiple choice question. So today we are going to be creating a multiple choice question. Here you'll be displayed 2 text boxes. So the first text box is your screenshot text box. So anything that is put in here will only be visible when you are editing the question. The second text box is your title text box. So this only supports text and equations. So here's where you are going to want to put the title of your question. And you can create a third text box. In the third text box, you'll be able to use all the content on our toolbar, including images, videos, URLs, PDFs, and inserting an equation. So here's where we are going to be inserting our PDF. So I'm just going to click PDF. You can choose a PDF from your Pencil files or from your computer. Locate the PDF you wish to add, and upload it to your question. As you can see, the PDF is now visible in your question. I'm just going to add in my multiple choice answers. And make sure to check off the correct answer. Once I'm satisfied with my question, I'm going to click Next. I can simply publish the question, or I can add it to a section in my syllabus. I can even fill out the properties of the question, including the level of difficulty, the quality of the question, and how long it should take to fill out. Once I'm satisfied with my question, I'm going to select Publish. And now I'll be able to find my question in my list of questions. Now I will be able to find my question in my overall question list, or I can go to the exact section in my syllabus which I've added my question to. You can add your question to a set. You can adjust the visibility of your question. You can like the question, get a shareable link to your question, or print your question by clicking the printer icon. And Pencil has created a personalized printable sheet fit to size. So to use PDFs in your sets, I'm first going to create a new set. So you'll be asked to title your set and add a description. Once you are happy with the details of your set, click the check mark to create it. And now you'll be able to search for your set in your set bar. So now I can add any content from my lessons, questions, or notes to my set. So if I would like to add a question, I will click Question. I will locate the question I wish to add. Click the box beside my question and select Add to Set. From here I can search for the set I wish to add it to. And my question will be added to my set. So the same process applies for adding a note to my set, so I'm just going to click on my notes. I can find the note I wish to add. I will click the box beside the note I wish to add, and I will select Add to Set, search for the set I want to add it to, click the box beside the set, and my note will be added to my set. Now when I go to my set and click on it, I will be able to see the content I added to my set, including the PDFs I have added. You can even bring PDFs to spaces by uploading PDFs to your space through files, or by bringing the learning management system to your space. So now that we are in a space, if you would like to upload a PDF to your space, you can select Insert Files found at the bottom of your screen, and you can choose to insert a PDF from your computer, camera, pencil files, YouTube, and Vimeo. So I'm just going to find the PDF I wish to insert. And upload it to my page. As you can see, my PDF has uploaded to my space on a new board. I can also insert PDFs in my space through Pencil's learning management system. So if I go to the left-hand side of my space, I will be able to open my Pencil library. I can select the course I wish to pull content from, and I can locate the content I wish to insert. So I'm going to go to Sets. I'm going to search for my set we created. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to add both sets of content to my space, and I'm going to open it in my space. All the content from my set, including the PDFs, will be added to my space, each individually on separate boards. So anyone who has access to my space will be able to directly interact with the content I have put on my space, including the PDFs or any questions, notes, sets I have added from the Pencil library. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to click the Help button found at the top right corner of your screen.